Now, so your assignment is page 71, numbers 1 through 14. And what we're doing basically is we're going to write equations and formulas, but we're not going to solve them today. So your whole homework is just writing equations and formulas, but it's a little hard to understand and do. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 of them together. And I know that a lot of you are like, yeah, but I like having mine all in a row. And actually for this one, you can do that. So if you want to right now, set up your page by writing 1 through 14, maybe a line between each one. This isn't like a normal assignment where we don't know how much space it's going to take us. This one we actually do know how much space it's going to take us. So if you want to write it out in order, 1 through 14 with a line between each one, you can. It is important to me today that you stay with me and that you don't just go off and start doing other problems on your own, okay? Because I'm going to skip around a little bit, and I want you to skip around with me, and then I'll give you a chance to do your homework, so don't worry, you'll have time. Stop.
It is.
It is.
Oh, dang it.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't talk about it.
Go, I have to go home.
It's wheelie time.
Yuck. This is unacceptable. Completely unacceptable.
This is amazing.
Guys, this is not good.
Look,
Go home.
I do love snow in November. It's October. We're already gonna have snow between like November and what? April? We're already lined up for 6 months of snow. 7 months, no thank you.
We need snow from like August to
You get out of here.
That's true.
and then just not the rest.
That'd be funny if I send you to Mr. Mink's office and he'd be like, why are you here? And you'll be like, I said we need to have snow 9 months out of the year. And then he'd also give you detention right there. Yeah.
That would be amazing.
He wants it too. He wants the attention.
Does he?
He just said that would be amazing.
That's interesting. Did he really say that? Should I call Mr. Mink right now?
Yeah.
Do we think Mr. Mink's in a good mood today?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, he had FCA this morning.
Great news.
He's in a very good mood. Yeah,
All right.
she is.
Quiet down. We're gonna put Mr. Mink on speaker
For what?
for telling on Lincoln.
What did you do?
Hey, Mr. Mink. I'm putting you on speaker. Hi, Mr. Mink.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. This is my 9th grade math class, and I need to talk to you about a student of mine publicly in front of everybody.
Okay.
This is Lincoln.
Yep.
Yeah, Lincoln Murphy, right?
Yeah.
Lincoln Murphy just told me that he hopes that there is snow from August until June the following year, and I'd like you to do some sort of, disciplinary kind of thing going on here because this is unacceptable.
I agree 100%. Yep.
Okay, so if you could talk to him when you see him later in the hallway, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah, we'll work on it. That's pretty significant punishment.
Right? That was uncalled for. In the middle of my math class.
Yep, absolutely. We can't tolerate that kind of behavior, and yeah, we'll take care of it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day, Mr. Mink.
Yeah.
Bye.
This knows, Mom. Can you get my $100?
Yes. Oh, why would I need to fix anything? All right. So we're starting with number 2. August to June.
Probably August to like 4 months.
All right.
And they say I know.
Ridiculous. No problem.
Might be a little hard to go around.
Just take your time. And you know what? You've got a disability on the court. You just got to be like, get out of my way. I'm taking my time. Get out of my way. I need space. I need time.
You can't hit me.
Yep.
Bro, just put me on the football.
All right. So, everybody ready now? Hey, math class, sadness, fill your heart with sadness, get those smiles off your faces. Everybody ready? Okay, back to serious. All right, look at number 2 in your book. Look at your book. Your eyes down. Should be looking at your book. Look at your book. Look at your book. Number 2 says, the product of 5 and the sum of a number x and 3 is 12. Okay, so the product of 5 and the sum of a number x. What do you think that means? Yeah?
that you have to multiply 5 times the addition problem, so like x plus 3.
Right, and since it says sum, what should we put around it? Parentheses, so I'm gonna write x plus 3 in parentheses. That means the sum of a number x and 3. That's the part we're doing so far. And then you said the product of 5, which means we need to put a 5 out front. 5, you could write 5 times if you want to, or you could just put a 5 out there because that implies multiplication. And then it says is 12.
Equals 12.
Equals 12. Is means equals. You do not have to solve this problem. The whole chapter is going to be about solving problems. This section is just about writing problems, which is why there's also not going to be a homework day on Monday. We're just going to do a new thing on Monday, okay? Everybody okay with this so far?
Yeah, so
Not so bad. All right, moving on to number 6. Paulina has completed, everybody's reading this with me, right?
Yup.
Paulina has completed 24 of the 42 math problems she was assigned for homework. So far she's already got 24 done. She plans to finish her homework by completing 9 math problems each hour. Write an equation to find the number of hours it would take Paulina to complete her math homework assignment. Remember, you do not need to solve this problem. You do have to write an equation. All right, should we do prizes for this? I feel like we haven't done prizes in a little while, yeah? Okay. And if you want me to go through it, I can. Jaden, were you raising your hand to be called on, or did you have a question?
no, I want to be called on.
Okay. Hands up for prize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5.
You're 4.
5.
3, I'm 1.
6.
Alright. So, it'd be,
Paulina has completed 24 so far. Remember, we're writing an equation, not solving it.
so it'd be 24,
Okay?
plus
Good.
9h
Yes.
equals 42.
This is perfect. So she already has 24. Why is it 9h? I mean, h stands for hours, right? But why is it 9? Because it's 9 times h, right? Lincoln.
9 problems an hour.
9 problems an hour. So that means that, like, if I worked for 1 hour, it'd be 9 times 1. If it was 2 hours, 9 times 2, etc. I'm still not over you talking about winter. Don't think this gets you back in my good graces, because it doesn't. Good job. You did it right. Equals 42. Okay? Nice. This is perfect. Jaden, go get a prize. Let's do number 8. Cars and trucks are the most popular vehicles. Last year, the number of cars sold was 39,000, more than 3 times the number of trucks sold. Okay, I'm going to help you with this one. We will be doing more prizes, so don't worry, but I'm going to help you with this one. It says last year, the number of cars sold was, so I'm going to write C equals, the number of cars sold was 39,000 more. More means add, right? Then 3 times the number of trucks sold. So 39,
We already know how many cars there were sold.
right, but I'm just writing this part out so far. 39,000 plus, what was it, 3 times the trucks? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it says that there were 216,000 cars sold last year, and we have to write an equation that would help us figure out the trucks.
How many cars?
216,000. So how do I go from there? How do I go from, if I know that cars are this plus 3 times the trucks, and now I know that the cars are 216,000, how do I work backwards to find an equation for trucks? Yeah. Wait, hold on. We doing this for a prize? I probably should be fair. 1, 2. Anybody else? 1.
You would divide 216,000 by 3 and then subtract 39,000.
Close. First, I would subtract that 39,000 because that's what I already have, and then I would divide by 3. I'm gonna check in the book and see if they want the equation with just the number on the other side, or if they actually want it to say t equals. What page is this?
71.
No, they've got it on the other side. Okay, so what their equation looks like is this. Since we already wrote this out, now we're just gonna say 216,000 goes over here. And this is the answer. Because again, we're just writing an equation, not solving it, and what you were doing was solving it. So if you were to solve this equation, first you'd subtract that 39,000, and then you'd divide by 3, like Austin just said. You want a prize, Austin?
Sure.
What do you want?
Tattoo.
Bugs available?
Tattoo.
You want that too?
Tattoo.
Oh, boy.
You get what you get and you have to wear it.
On your cheek.
That's the best thing that ever happened.
Aww. Perfect. There's a poop one in there.
Okay.
I'm excited for someone to get that.
I'm glad I didn't.
Because I'm an adult.
And that's appropriate.
Yeah. It's totally appropriate. This last one said I had to wear this poop tattoo. Yeah, I guess I did. Okay. All right.